to start? I have no idea what I want.
I mean, this is a mirrorless, and for a good all-round lens of 24 to 200, which is what I've got on this.
You find it fine?
Works for most things that you want to focus on, it works fine. You just can't zoom in too far.
Yeah, for sure.
But for just getting photos most days, 24 to 200 works fine. And this is a mirrorless Z5 Mark II.
What would you go for? Would you go mirrorless then?
I mean, this is my first time using proper DSLRs, and otherwise I've just been using like bridge cameras.
Okay.
So, I mean, it works fine mirrorless.
Might go mirrorless.
With the lens, it was about £2,000.
Yeah.
Right, I'll let you film, sorry.
No, you're fine. You still come out there,